This is our Airbnb in Pleasantville, Tennessee. It is a little farm with sheep and goats and cows. And we have 11 geese somewhere around here. But you could not ask for a prettier morning. It's cool. Oh, the geese are way out there in the field. I hear them. You'll find that this guest house is also located near Amish area, nearby parks, and it has access to recreational activities along the Tennessee River, like hiking, swimming, fishing, canoeing, and kayaking. In the kitchen, you'll find everything you need for fixing meals and snacks. This guest house was extremely clean, attractive, and comfortable, and is located about 300 feet from the main house. We did not have an opportunity to enjoy, but you will find a beautiful creek that runs through this property up to 50 feet wide at some places, with some deep swimming holes. The water is clean and any fish caught can be safely eaten. My favorite part of the stay was the animals. 9 chickens, 5 cows, 7 sheep, 2 goats, and 11 geese, and also the neighbor's guineas. The farm is very quiet, with only the sounds of the birds and the winds of the trees. From time to time, you will hear the rooster crowing or the geese squabbling, but that's just farm life. Don't forget the cows mooing. You will love this place like we did.